unleashing the untamed stallion. Introducing the 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse R, a ferocious factory pony that leaves other Mustangs in its dust. It's a force to be reckoned with, boasting the mightiest, naturally aspirated Coyote V8 ever seen in a Mustang, earning its title as the most track-capable 7th-generation model to date, according to Ford. But what sets the Dark Horse R apart from the rest? Imagine a turnkey race car tailored for those craving the thrilling embrace of the track. This is precisely what the Dark Horse R brings to the table, while still retaining the essential elements that make its sibling, the standard Dark Horse, a true beast on the roads. Under the hood lies a roaring 5.0-liter V8 engine, naturally aspirated and uniquely tuned to deliver 500-plus horsepower. Yet power isn't everything when it comes to track domination. To ensure peak performance on the circuit, Ford Racing has equipped the Dark Horse R with an upgraded oil system, transmission cooling, and differential cooling. The soundscape is amplified with a Borla racing exhaust system, and safety and capacity are enhanced with a fuel cell. As we delve deeper into this untamed stallion's features, we find familiar companions such as the 6-speed manual transmission and trusty Brembo brakes, carried over from the base Dark Horse model. Visually, it may seem almost identical, with only a few telltale tow hooks and 19-inch wheels wrapped in racing slicks, giving a hint of its racing prowess. Nevertheless, the true magic lies beneath its captivating exterior. The Dark Horse R boasts a suspension system that enhances on-track performance to awe-inspiring levels. Multimatic DSSV racing dampers, adjustable anti-roll bars, and adjustable front camber plates work in harmony to tame the wildest curves of the track. But there's more. Inside, the transformation is radical, with every creature comfort stripped away to make room for a full-fledged racing cabin. The cabin now hosts a roll cage, snug Recaro racing seats, a secure Sparco racing harness, and even a removable Sparco steering wheel. Only a fortunate few will get their hands on this limited Dark Horse R, but those lucky souls will have the opportunity of a lifetime. Ford Performance Racing School is organizing an exhilarating single-make racing series called the Mustang Challenge, exclusively for Dark Horse R owners. Sanctioned by IMSA, the series will make its debut in 2024, featuring a heart-pounding 10 to 12 race calendar on yet-to-be-named tracks across North America. Anticipation reaches its peak as fans await the chance to claim this track-hungry beast for themselves. The Dark Horse R comes with a price tag of $145,000, a worthy investment for those who seek the thrill of the circuit. Deliveries are slated to commence in 2024, just in time for the adrenaline-pumping Mustang Challenge races. In conclusion, the 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse R epitomizes the perfect blend of power, performance, and a relentless spirit. With its heart-stopping V8 engine and an array of track-focused upgrades, this untamed stallion is set to conquer the circuits, leaving a trail of awe-inspired admirers in its wake. So gear up and brace yourselves. The Dark Horse R is ready to take you on a wild ride like no other.